Hi guys, if you have an iPhone 11, 12 or 13, you're suffering a black screen or a non-responsive screen, you're unable to touch, I am going to show you how we are going to fix this issue in this video. First, we are going to plug in the lightning cable, and if you notice that your screen did not turn on, then you know there's a problem. It should light up to indicate to us that it is charging. So what I am going to do now, I am going to do a force restart, and to simply do this you need to hit the volume up, then the volume down, then you want to hold the power button. This normally will fix it, and as you see, it's coming on here. If it happens that you have a non-responsive screen, I am going to show you what to do. I am going to plug in the lightning cable, and you should see that the light on the screen turns on. This is what I was referring to earlier. If you still have a black screen or a frozen screen, you want to press the volume up, then the volume down, and then you want to hold the power button. You want to do this once more, and this will force restart your iPhone. This will clear whatever memory. What you want to do when you do that, you want to plug in your lightning cable, and the phone should come on. You should see the Apple logo. When the phone is on, you should be able to touch. And also you're good to go. For those of you who are still experiencing the black screen, right, I am going to show you what you need to do in order to fix this issue, but you will need a computer, right guys? So I am going to turn on my PC and I am going to show you exactly what you need to do. If you are still getting the black screen issue or a non-responsive screen, I want you to put your phone into the recovery mode. First, you will need to plug in your lightning cable and then press and hold the volume down and also the power button, and we should see that the recovery mode shows up with a screen and a cable. So you want to hold the volume down and the power button, and you want to ensure that your lightning cable is connected by your PC or your Mac. You put your iPhone into recovery mode. You should see this sign with the laptop and also the cable. If for some reason you are not seeing this sign, that possibly means that you have a screen problem, or this can be an iOS problem. So the last alternative in which you can do is to restore your iPhone using iTunes. After you have restored your iPhone, if you're still not seeing on the screen, if you're still not able to touch, this can be a more severe issue. For example, this can be a IC for your touch. This can be a IC for your LED screen as to why it's not lighting up. This can be a defect in your LED screen itself. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and if you are new to my channel, you can go right ahead, like my video and also subscribe. Drop a comment down below and let me know. And for those of you who are still experiencing the black screen, you want to try a new LCD screen on your device. For those of you who are not getting any touch, you want to do the same thing, as this problem can be the digitizer is malfunction for your LED screen, or it can be that it is not connected properly as well. So guys, you want to do these checks. You want to ensure that you check all of these things. If you notice that you're still not getting any light on your screen, you're still not able to touch, then you know it's a more critical problem. So guys, do like, share and subscribe.